This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com.
Hi, I'm Hannah and welcome to my 10-minute HIIT series. Today we're going to do a combo workout, so targeting those glutes and the core. It's going to maximize your time, burn more calories, and get you more bang for your buck. So you don't need any equipment for this workout, just yourself and a mat. I have the timer for you. If you'd like to wear shoes, you can to help protect your toes for our plyometric exercises. Let's get started. So we're gonna start in a plank position. That means core tight, body in a line, and come down to your elbows. And when I start the timer, we'll begin. We're doing a leg lift plank to work that glute while we do the core. Get ready in 5, 4, 3, raise up, 2, 1. We're gonna alternate a leg lift and squeeze the glute at the top. You have to think about that muscle. Mind to muscle connection is very important. So keep the heel flexed, squeeze, and we're halfway there. Breathe in and out, in, out, in, out. Almost there. 5, 3, 2, 1, and rest. So when you're resting, you can stretch, you can sit up, whatever you like to do, you can do it. The next movement is going to be a plank jack. So we're going to go down into a plank, power the legs apart and back together. And that's really going to help with our strength and our fast twitch muscle fibers. Get ready in 5, lower down, 3, just like that. That's what you're going to do. Pop out and in. Make sure to breathe. See if you can get wider. Try to keep the hips low. Nice straight line with the body. Protect that lower back. So brace the abs. 10 seconds. If you want to count your reps, do so. And then try to beat that score the next time. 3, 2, 1. Whew. So that one should definitely elevate your heart rate. Next we have frog planks, which you may or may not have heard of. So I'll demonstrate. We're gonna be in a plank. You're gonna come up like that and then alternate. Right foot first, back. That's gonna help with your hip mobility and also your glute strength. Get ready in 3, 2, 1. Raise up. Extended arms, left foot forward, right, back, back, right, back, left, back, core tight. Try to keep the heels down. If you notice this is pretty challenging, maybe we need to come in a little bit less or just do little taps forward. 3, 2, 1, rest. Good. Next we have some side planks with a kick. These are gonna be another challenge with an isometric hold. You're gonna come up, raise the leg up, into the back, just like that. And on the last exercise, if you struggle to get your foot forward, we just need to work on your hip mobility. So you can do my hip mobility video for that. Get ready, 3, 2, 1, raise up and back. If you need to lower the knees to do this movement, totally feel free to do so. So whatever you need to do to make this exercise work for you, this is your workout. Halfway, core tight, and that also gives you an opportunity to have a goal of what to do next time. 5, breathe, and come down. Good job. Other side, and then we'll be halfway done with the workout. So 20 seconds. Make sure you're breathing, getting the heart rate down with interval training. Your recovery is just as important. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Up and back. Up, back. Squeeze the glute. Push to that heel. Really focus on activating that muscle. Our glutes tend to be weak because we don't use them as much in the standard desk job. There you go. Up and back. 5 seconds. Up, back. Last one. And come down. Good. So we're halfway done. One more round and then you're finished. So get down into a plank, get ready for the leg lifts. And start, heel up. And also if you need a modification, lower those knees, but really squeeze the glute at the top. But always try and see, even if you don't think you can, it doesn't hurt to try. Halfway, keep breathing, and then you can rest. Make the most of this work period. 3, 2, 1, and down. Notice how I keep going till the last second. You want to maximize every second you have. Make the most of it. Next we have the plank jack on the elbows. Pop out and in. We want those to be nice and controlled. So if you need to do a step out as the starting point or with the knees down, listen to your body, do what you can do. Get ready, go. How many can you get? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, halfway, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Good. So I got 28. So next time, if you don't match that, that's another goal to get. Next, we have the frog planks. So let's see if we can be more mobile this time. See if you can bring that foot up closer to the hand. Both sides, make sure to alternate. It's very important. We always want to be even with both sides of our body. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Up, up, back, back, switch. Up, up, back, back. Good job. Keep it up. Keep that core tight. Nice and controlled. Push to the heel. Halfway. Good. Few more blocks to go and you're done. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1, and down. Good. So recover. Take those big deep breaths. You can stretch if you need to. Next one we have the side plank with the kicks. Lifting up, lifting to the back. And that gets different angles on the muscle. When our muscle has to work in different ways in different directions, it helps maximize the strength building for that muscle. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Up and back, up, back. Squeeze the butt. Super important. Focus on it. And imagine how you want it to look. There you go. Back. Halfway. Back. There you go. Keep pushing. You can do it. Up. Back. 5 seconds. Believe in yourself. 3, 2, 1. Good. 9 rounds down. 1 more to go. So let's finish even stronger than we started. Make sure you hit this leg just as hard as you did the other one, so we're completely even. Catch the breath, get the heart rate down. Really recover in these rest periods so we can make the most of HIIT training. Get ready, come up. Up, back. Flex the heel. Feel the glute. Up, back, up, back. Lower the hips if you need to, but try to push yourself here. Back, up, back. That's why I'm here, right? 10 seconds. Up, back. Come on. Keep pushing. If I can do it, so can you. 3, 2, 1. That's it. Good job. So this is a great workout. You can do it 3 to 5 times a week when you're done with your other routine. And I hope to work out again with you soon.
Many of our subscribers don't see our videos. Make sure that you click the notification bell.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.